Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about the GotSafety system. Our complete safety technology system helps keep you OSHA compliant. It can include everything from documentation to standard and customizable forms, as well as detailed safety lessons and a digital lesson tracker. There are hundreds of resources to choose from. GotSafety is the easy, affordable way to stay up to date with OSHA safety laws. Here are the highlights of the GotSafety website. Simplify your continual safety trainings. You have access to over 1,000 OSHA compliant safety lesson topics, and they are all in English and Spanish. Lesson playlists can be customized for ease of use by employees, giving you more control over the lesson topics you would like to utilize for trainings. These lessons are concise and to the point. You can complete a lesson in a matter of minutes. You can follow along with a trainer or simply read through the lesson. Sign off electronically after the safety training by selecting your name, adding any additional info if needed, and then sign. Simply use the mouse on the desktop or your finger on the mobile app. You can track each employee in every lesson they have ever taken. You can track by employee name, ID number, lesson topic, date, or even customize another category you'd like to sort by, like job number, for example. Have your OSHA required documents easily accessible wherever you are. We custom write OSHA required documentation for your company, industry, and location. We update and keep your documentation compliant for the life of your account at no additional charge. Documentation is easily accessed on the desktop or any mobile device. Documentation may be downloaded or printed from your desktop computer at any time. No more lost or delayed reports and checklists. Use our online form builder to customize content, layouts, interactive elements, and more. You can customize and create forms and checklists to fit your needs. Then, your employees can access, fill out, and submit remotely from a mobile device or a PC, giving you instant access to those reports. Get information to employees instantly out in the field or away from the office. Upload your company files, such as safety data sheets, job site information, and other PDFs. Your employees can access these documents from a computer or out in the field on the mobile app. For more information about the GotSafety system or to schedule a live demonstration, please contact us at 800-734-3574. Thanks for watching.